Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change your App Store to Japan. Before we begin, it's important to prepare your current account. Make sure to spend any remaining store credit you might have, as it won't transfer to the new region. Also, cancel all active subscriptions to prevent any complications. Finally, have a valid Japanese payment method and address ready, as these will be essential for completing the process smoothly. Now, let's dive into the steps. Begin by opening your device settings and tapping on your Apple ID profile at the very top. From there, navigate to Media and Purchases and then select View Account. You will then see an option for country/region. Tap this, choose Japan from the extensive list, and carefully review the new terms and conditions before agreeing to them. This is a crucial step in the process. The next step involves providing your new regional information. You will need to enter a valid Japanese billing address and a local phone number. Then, select a payment method that is accepted in Japan. Typically, a major credit card works best. It's vital to ensure all required fields are accurately completed to avoid any delays. Once all details are entered correctly, confirm the changes to finalize your App Store region to Japan. After changing your region, please be aware that some apps you previously owned might not be available in the Japanese App Store. Also, family sharing settings could be affected, so communicate with your family members. If you encounter any persistent issues, do not hesitate to contact Apple support for assistance. Remember, you can always revert to your original region by simply following these same steps again. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.